Meaning of got.
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 Got. The word got is the past tense of the verb get. It can have a few different meanings depending on the context it is used in. Generally, got means to obtain or receive something. It can also mean to arrive somewhere or to understand something. For example, I got a new book from the library, she got to the office early today, or he finally got the joke after I explained it to him. In summary, got is usually used to refer to obtaining something, arriving at a location, or comprehending something.